Hi there, students. Prevalent. Prevalent, an adjective. The noun is prevalence, and I think these come from the verb to prevail. Okay, if something is prevalent, it is widespread. It's common practice. It occurs frequently. Or we can use it saying it occurs most frequently. It is predominant. So either very common or the most common. So, for example, smoking is less prevalent than it was in the past. It's less widespread. Liberal attitudes are prevalent among the young. So probably the most common type of attitude. The consumption of fish near the sea is much more prevalent. It happens more. Okay, I wanted to look at the verb to prevail, because to prevail has two different meanings. It can either mean to win or succeed. So finally I prevailed in my tennis match. I won. He wanted to become a doctor and he studied and studied and finally he prevailed. He was successful. That's one meaning. But we can also use to prevail meaning to be the most common. So cacti prevail in the desert landscape. They're the most common plant. And this is where this idea, it's come from to win or to succeed, is the most common because it's one. So, prevalent, widespread, or the most commonly found. Mangoes and avocados are prevalent in southern India. They're frequently found. They're the most common trees. Maybe not. English is the prevalent language worldwide. Maybe it's Mandarin, but I'm an English teacher. Superstition was prevalent in medieval society. It was very common. It was common practice. Or maybe the most common way people made decisions. Mosquitoes are prevalent in hot climates. English is mainly a mixture of Germanic and Latin, but Latin words are more prevalent than Germanic words or Saxon words. Okay, so prevalent, very common, very widespread. You can find them everywhere. Okay, next question. What about formality, prevalent? I'd probably give this 6.5, 7 informality. I think informally in the pub, widespread, common, frequent. But in a semi-formal or very formal document, prevalent is a good word. What about the origin? Well, this comes from Latin again. Prevalens, leadingly before, and then valens, strong. So prevalens, to be stronger, yeah? And if you're going to be stronger, then you win and you become the most common or the most frequent. So if something is prevalent, you can find it everywhere. It's probably the most common thing you will find. Pubs are prevalent in the centre of a city. They're very common. So there you go, prevalent. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Prevalent.